Hi, I'm Sherry and this is my channel, Vanilla Vine Pottery. Today I'm popping back in to chat about what I've been up to. It's a lot. I try to post videos regularly, but that doesn't always happen because I have 50 other projects and crafts going on at the same time. For example, I taught myself a couple months back how to crochet, strictly from YouTube videos. So I've been working on some Christmas gifts for family members, like this little beanie. Cute, right? Not on me, but it'll be cute on my daughter. I've also crocheted my granddaughter a cute little turkey hat, but she hated it. Say, Nana, get this silly hat off my head. I don't like it. Huh. What? Say, I hate it, Nana. Get it off my head. Get off my head. What? She totally hated it. And in addition to that, I am also working on a blanket as well for my daughter. So like I said, I have a lot of crafts and projects going on at the same time. So in addition to all this other stuff I have going on, I also have a recipe blog that I write for and a YouTube recipe channel that I film recipe videos for. So that keeps me busy as well. And if you're interested, I'll put the link to both that recipe blog and my other YouTube channel in the description below. That brings us to today's project, which I've actually been working on for several weeks now. I just haven't had time to complete it and finish it. I really love to make sugar cookies and decorate those with buttercream, so I thought, why not cross that over into some cute little ceramic Christmas ornaments for the Christmas tree. I started these like around Halloween, I think, and I was like, I'm gonna be ahead of the game. I'm gonna get them posted on my Etsy for the holidays, and people will be able to get some cute little ornaments if they want, like these cute little bulbs. I only actually did like around a dozen, and I was traveling a little bit. I went back home to see family and my granddaughter, and with working and all the other projects that we just talked about, this brings us back full circle to me not having these done or ready to go on my Etsy site. I'll be working on these and getting these glazed and in the kiln for a bisque fire, but I'm actually glazing these as greenware. That means that when I roll these, cut them out with a cookie cutter, I let them dry, and now I'm gonna glaze them before I do a bisque fire. I was just trying to save a step so I didn't have to like do it twice, but I think I'm gonna have to fire it twice anyway because I want it to have a clear glaze and be shiny. I'm afraid if I put the clear glaze on over top of the underglaze that it's gonna run all the colors together while it's firing in the kiln. I'm just gonna do the underglaze, fire it at a bisque fire at cone 05, then clear glaze it and fire it again at cone 05. I hope these come out because they're really cute, and this one is actually for my granddaughter Charlie Bella, and it says Charlie Bella and it has the year 2022. As she gets older, I think it'll be really cute to give her a ceramic ornament every year that she could hang on the tree and hopefully have forever. I'm excited to see how these turn out, especially these Christmas bulbs. I'm gonna paint them in the traditional blue, yellow, red, orange colors, and I can't wait to see these. Maybe I'll do a tutorial on these. It doesn't have to be the Christmas ornaments because I'm kind of running out of time for that, but the next holiday after Christmas will be Valentine's Day. Maybe I'll do some Valentine heart ornaments and show you guys how I do those, from rolling out the clay to using the cookie cutters to letting them dry, glazing, and firing in the kiln. The whole shebang. So we'll see how these turn out. I'll keep you posted on these. Before I go, I just want to show you guys my cute little fireplace that I got at the Dollar Tree. I didn't get it at the Dollar Tree because this is actually a Dollar Tree Plus item. And Dollar Tree Plus items are where the stores have like a couple aisles of products that are $3 and $5, and this was $5. But here in South Florida and the Fort Lauderdale area, I couldn't find any Plus items anywhere. And I asked one of the associates at the store if they carried them, and he's like, no, we don't sell those here. People don't like to pay the $1.25 as it is. And I'm like, well, I want them. I would pay it. So maybe you should ask corporate about that and get those here ASAP. So I went on their website and they were out of stock. And I just happened to be telling a coworker about them, and I was showing her on the website what they looked like, and all of a sudden I saw that they were back in stock. So I'm like, totally getting these. But you have to order them in units of 6, which I did because I just freaking wanted them because they're so cute. I can't turn this one on because the one that I actually had batteries in, I took and gave it to my manager at work because I thought this would be really cute at our IV infusion store. And you know, we could set it on the counter, turn it on. I just thought it would be a cute little centerpiece for the holidays. And I gave it to my manager yesterday, and she's like, oh no, this is coming home with me. So maybe I'll take another one to the store. I don't know. I have like 5 more of these, but I'm going to use a couple around the house, probably give one to my granddaughter for her elf on the shelf. But I just thought that that was a super cute item for a super great deal. And if you wanted to get to them, get to your Dollar Tree or get online and get them ordered because they're going really fast. That's all I really had for you today. I just wanted to catch you up on what I was doing. Not that any of you care to know what I'm doing, but let's just say maybe you did. This is what I'm doing. This is where I'm at right now. And I'm just going to continue to work on these, glaze these, and get these done. And when these are finished, I'll show you guys how they turned out. Just want to wish everyone happy holidays. I may or may not pop back in before Christmas rolls around. So I just want to wish you all happy holidays, and I'll see you soon. And thanks for watching, and keep on potting. Consider subscribing and hit the like button. It helps the channel to grow and to reach more viewers. Thanks so much, and see you next time.